Greetings to you all. I come to speak in reference to a publication which was titled "Another Dead Masowe Member Getting a Secret Burial in UK," published by ZimEye yesterday on the 19th of July of the year 2021. We, the Apostles of Muchinjikwa International, write to notify the public in general that we are not involved in the funeral arrangements being made on behalf of the late Shamiso Gladys Mutero, commonly known as Madzimai Marita of Masowe, contrary to the unfounded and defamatory allegations which were made against our church and its leadership by ZimEye in their publication and on their website and on their Facebook account. As a church, we are joined in mourning with the family of the deceased, and we strongly urge that their privacy be respected at this very difficult time. We respect our culture and norms as a church, and we do not interfere with relatives and families' wishes in matters regarding a deceased Mapostori, regardless of their congregational affiliations in the wider Mapostori community across the world. I thank you on behalf of our Media, Information and Publicity Department